This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. All is well. Let's take a look at markets here with about 45 minutes to go before the end of the week, end of the session in what was an options expiration week. Markets coming off the lows of the session. All right, let's take a look and begin with the Nasdaq quickly. And we're going to begin with the breakout. This breakout right here. So based on this weekly closing high from, let's see, July, we can see that this week the market has come to test that breakout. That breakout number for the Nasdaq is 10,617.44. So this breakout was instrumental in taking the Nasdaq to new highs, all-time highs, and now we've come back this week and we've tested that level, and as of right now the market is holding. So we can conclude as follows: as long as the Nasdaq is above this number, that's good for market bulls, and the market should be poised to be stable to bullish. And we know if the market cannot hold this level as far as the Nasdaq is concerned, it means that those monthly charts are going to continue getting ugly, and that the Nasdaq is going to be poised to be sideways to down if it drops back below this number. It's a simple number. It's a simple way of looking at the market. Above this number, the market is stable to bullish. Below this number, the Nasdaq and the general market should be in trouble.